5 business ideas you should start as a baker in 2026. So I'm recording this video on the 1st of 2026 because I don't want my bakers to miss out on anything this year. Like, I want all of us to cash out this year. So that's why I'm recording this video on the 1st of January. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Stretch Cakes, and on this video I'm going to be listing out 5 business ideas you can start this year and be making nothing less than 6 figures. So if you are still a baker and you are still waiting for cake orders to come before you can get money from the baking industry, you are missing a lot, because like in what I said in my previous video, cakes no longer bring everyday cash to us as bakers, because a lot of persons don't bake cakes every day anymore. A lot of, even if they even have birthdays, some refuse to even pay for cakes, and if some even contact you for birthday cakes, they don't even want to pay well. Why? Because they will be underpricing you. When you tell them the price of cake, they are going to tell you, it's too expensive, blah blah blah. Why is this expensive? Don't you have the one lower than the amount that I have? So if you continue like that, you are going to be stranded as a baker. So you need to have other things that you are doing. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you the 5 business ideas that can change your life in this year 2026. Without wasting time, let's go right into the video. Number one business idea you can start as a baker is sugar flour. So I see a lot of bakers don't know about this business yet because it's still very, very fresh in the industry. So recently, a lot of bakers now learn how to make sugar flowers. Back then we used to buy artificial flowers for our cakes. We don't make flowers ourselves. Like, let's say we have baking, let's say we have wedding cakes that we want to deliver. We just go to the market or go to where they sell baking things, then we'll get all our flowers that we have different colors. But now it's no longer like that. And if you notice that flowers or sugar flowers are now in vogue, like is what is currently trending now. All those artificial flowers, if you put them on your wedding cake, it's not going to look as beautiful and classy as the sugar flower that you made yourself. So a lot of bakers don't have time. This is where the business part comes in. A lot of bakers don't have time to start making those sugar flowers on their own or by themselves. So this is where your business comes in, or this is where the business of it comes in. You can start making sugar flowers and be selling to bakers, because most bakers that are doing wedding cakes, they don't even have time. Some don't even have students that will help them make these flowers. So why don't you start making sugar flowers, advertise on your social media platform, tell people that you are not making sugar flowers, and a lot of bakers will start patronizing you. Like, I'm not joking, they will start patronizing you because this is trending currently. People no longer use artificial flowers, so this is currently trending. So if you start making sugar flowers, there's no way you won't be cashing out like monthly. And also, not just you selling sugar flowers, you can also start teaching sugar flowers. I know we are going to get to that stage, and that's one of the ideas I'll also be dropping. But you can also start teaching people on how to make sugar flour aside you selling sugar flour. So one of the business ideas you should start this year 2026 is sugar flowers. And you might be saying, how do I start sugar flour business? How do I learn it? You can go on YouTube and learn it on YouTube. Like, everything is not on YouTube. You can learn it on YouTube. Learn how to make sugar flowers. Search on how to make sugar flowers. They are not hard. They are not difficult to make. My number two business idea you must start as a baker in this 2026: making of cake boxes. Either cake boxes, either gift boxes. Making of boxes is very, very lucrative and is currently trending as we speak, because a lot of persons, even for me as a baker, I don't know how to make cake boxes. When I see bakers that know how to make these cake boxes or gift boxes, I admire them a lot, because there is no cake that I make that I don't buy box, except for all those big or those huge wedding cakes that I don't buy boxes for. If you are making buttercream, any form of buttercream you are making, you need cake box. This is what a lot of persons are really looking for, a lot of bakers. And you can learn how to make cake bosses, cake boss, gift boss. Valentine is February and it's coming and it's very, very close. So if you learn how to make gift boss during Valentine, during Christmas, during those festive period, people are looking for gift bosses. So you can start selling gift boxes, you can start selling cake boxes to bakers, and you be making nothing less than 6 figures in a month. Then why are you wasting time waiting for cake orders to come when you can start making all these things and be cashing out from it? Number three business idea you can start as a baker in 2026 is selling ready to fry chops. So a lot of bakers don't have time to start making ready to fry chops, because you can get our urgent order as a baker. For me, there are sometimes I do get urgent order for small chops. Maybe like I'm making a food tray for people or for a client or a customer, and they will ask for small chops. Some do pay a day too. So I don't have that time to start making wraps or ready to fry chops. So I just order. So you can start making ready to fry chops. Either ready to fry chops or wraps are very, very lucrative, and a lot of bakers are looking for it. Even people that are not bakers are looking for ready to fry chops. They just want to store it in the fridge anytime they want to use it, either for festive period or Sundays or anytime. They'll just pick it up and place it on their heat and fry it, or place it on their pan and fry it. So a lot of people are looking for ready to fry chops. You can, if you cannot make ready to fry chops, you can also make wraps like samosa wraps, spring roll wraps. A lot of persons are looking for this. So instead of waiting for cake orders or just wasting time, no orders are coming. Why don't you start making ready to fry chops, or you start making wraps for small chops? Number four business idea you can start as a baker is food bowl business. You might say I'm a baker, I'm not a chef. If you know how to cook, you can also start selling food bowls. Because what do I mean by food bowls? There's a lot of persons that have this office job. They don't really have time to come and sit down and start cooking. They don't have that time to come and sit down and start cooking. They go to work by, let's say they go to work by 8 a.m., they come back by 6 p.m. They don't have time. So they normally store their foods on their freezer or their fridge. So when they just come, they just microwave their food and eat. So they are looking for people that are doing this business. They are cashing out from it. Even on Instagram, if you go and search on Instagram, you see a lot of persons doing this business and they are making massive money from it. So what are you waiting for? Start selling food bowls. Like you can start you can start with just a little amount, little portion, then advertise. Make sure you advertise on your social media platform. Sometimes pay for sponsored ad, because all the persons you know, they are not just enough to buy from you. So that you no get frustrated in the business, start running ads, sponsored ads. So through sponsored ad, a lot of persons run sponsored ads in your environment. So that a lot of persons in that environment will get to know that you sell this kind of thing. So food bowls, they are very, very lucrative. I know what I'm talking about, because I'm also in this line of business. Instead of just waiting for cake orders to come or sitting down doing nothing, start making food bowls for customers. Now, business idea you can start as a baker is in 2025 is selling of yogurt parfait. So this business is something that I did in 2025. Like I did it a lot in 2025, and this business was lucrative. Like I don't know how to explain it. It was very, very lucrative, like very, 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 very lucrative. I love this business. Like yogurt parfait business. It's so, some call it food parfait, some call it yogurt parfait. I prefer to call it yogurt parfait. It's so lucrative. Like if you go into this business, you are going to love it. All you just have to do is to go over to YouTube, learn how to make yogurt. That's just it. Learn how to make yogurt, learn how to make Greek yogurt. Once you learn how to make Greek yogurt, then you learn how to layer parfait. That's just it. Then you just go to the market and buy cups. The cups are very, very, very affordable. They are very, very affordable. Starting this business, you can start this business with as low as 20,000 naira. I think I started it with about 20,000. You can start with a little portion of milk. Then all you just have to do in this business is learn how to make yogurt. That's just it. Learn how to make Greek yogurt, learn how to make plain yogurt. That's just all you need for this business. So I'm going to be adding a bonus to it. I love this so much. If you know me very well, you know that this is what I really, 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 really do. I put all my attention in. So the last one I'm going to be giving you as a bonus, sorry, what I mean by that is education, like teaching people what you know, educating people on what you know. You know how to make bread, teach people how to make bread. Like you are going to cash out, I'm not joking. Teach people how to make bread, teach people how to make donuts. A lot of persons are looking for how to make this. Like you think that who doesn't know how to make bread, who doesn't know how to make chinchin, but a lot of persons are online, they don't know how to make these things. Why don't you start teaching people how to make these things, and they will pay you for it? You can also create a course like an ebook. You start selling your ebook and you'll be making money from it. So if you are still watching this video at this time and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be dropping videos like this on my YouTube channel, so that you will be notified anytime I drop any new video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up. So what are you waiting for? Pick one of these. You can even pick two out of these 6 ideas. I made it 6. I added one as bonus to it. So pick one out of this and make money in this year 2026. Don't just wait for cake orders. Don't just sit and start complaining that the industry, there's no money in the industry. There is a lot of money in the industry. You are the one that don't have the idea yet. So thank you for watching this video. I'm just going to see you in my next video.